Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from what the title says, this is a Dollar Tree haul. Let's get on with the Dollar Tree haul. Item that I can't fit into frame, I will just insert a picture. I got a white dish pan. The other one that I was currently using and have had for years from the Dollar Tree finally kind of just broke and cracked at the handle. I needed a new one, wanted a new one, grabbed a new one. Totally random item too. I got this large print word hunt. I got large print because your girl wears glasses and, you know, maybe sometimes you want to do a word hunt without wearing glasses. So this is volume 169. I love the background of all the trees. But anyways, yeah, I've already been working on this. The first puzzle was about squids. How awesome is that? I love all the oceany, tentacly creatures, so that was really cool. There is about 80 puzzles in here, so that's a good deal for $1.50, I believe is what we paid for this. Side note, we always have to have a side note, about my Dollar Tree receipt, and I paid $1.50 for the word hunt, $1.50 for a tape measure that is not shown. Dish pan was $1.50 as well. Everything else was $1.25. The total come to $23.17 with taxes, if anybody was curious. I found an item that I definitely did not expect to find at my Dollar Tree, but I found it at the register and was so excited. This is the Spa Luxury Vanilla Dream Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer, 8 fluid ounces. This is 70% alcohol. The lady at the register asked if I'd smelled it yet. I said no, and she said they had one that they were using in the store, and she let me try it out. It smells amazing. It smells so good. So I can't wait to use this. Another item that I was super excited about finding, and once again did not think that I was going to find this at my store, because our stores will stock, and it seems like the stock is gone within the day. There are some people here that are going and purchasing large amounts of Dollar Tree items and then reselling them on TikTok. It's hard to find some of these items in our stores around here. Did find this. I was super excited. The Pro Silk Body 24-hour moisturizing body lotion. This is the Fresh and Comfy scent. I did not see any other scents, just this one. It's got cute pink packaging in a large pump bottle, 12 fluid ounces for $1.25. You really cannot beat that. It says nourishing oils and butters, soothing formulation for dry skin. This smells really nice so far. It looks nice and thick. Cannot wait to test this out. I will probably do a review on some of the items shown in the video, so stay tuned. I don't know whether to share the makeup items first or the nail items first. I found so many awesome finds. How about we just share this first? From Jot, I got this desktop organizer. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this just yet, but I thought I want to do a little bit of reorganizing in my makeup drawers and stuff before I do an updated makeup collection, so I thought that I may use it there. The idea behind this, it's holographic. They had these in clear, they had them in this like clear acrylic brown, and yeah, I love it. They had them in different sizes too. Thought that one would be best suited for what I probably am going to use it for, so I grabbed that one. This is a repeat purchase in the beauty aisle. The Be Pure lip balms. The last time I got the coconut one, so this time I got the sweet and creamy caramel scented lips. One creamy caramel scented. Yep. Not the biggest fan of sticking my finger into a little tub, so I'll use a Q-tip to get some of the product out. Apply it on the lips. I love these. They are amazing. They smell amazing. They work amazing. They're comparable to the Vaseline brand. These are really, really nice. So I wanted to have a little stock of these. And now I have coconut and I have the caramel one. Now these three nail polishes right here that I'm going to share first are nail polishes that my sister picked up for me that she found before I did. Because I told her to be on the lookout because they'd probably sell pretty quickly. And I was right, she only found 3 of them out of the 11 or 12 that was in the set. But she found me 3. I am grateful. So they are these Cosmic Colors nail polishes. They look like this. They're from this Hollow Glaze line. So these are actually 3 that I really wanted from the collection. Just so happens that these are the ones that she found, so it was meant to be. This green, and it shifts like this pink. This one's called Jade Sheen. Really pretty. They are like toppers. They shift. Different colors. You could wear them alone too if you wanted. But it's like in this green, but it also shifts other colors. And even though it says Hollow Glaze, these are just like duochrome iridescent toppers. They don't have any holographic to them at all. The bottles are cute as well though. This one's called Golden Luster, and it's an orange. This one is so stunning. I cannot wait to top this one over an orange for summer, or wear it on its own. I've been wearing a lot of sheer polishes lately. Look how stunningly gorgeous that is. The orange one. The blue one is called Moonlit Veil. So again, stunning, stunning, stunning. They all have some kind of shift. So you can see this like pink, blue, green, orange, like golden. This one is like blue and purple pink. I know, they're a little hard to see, but there's no holographic, just toppers. Sheer iridescent duochrome toppers. Stunning nonetheless, and I'm so excited to have this. Now when I went, I found some Pretty Woman nail polishes, which typically I only find those at Five Below for $3 to $5. So to find them at the Dollar Tree was pretty awesome. They had 2 collections there. So we'll start with the glitter first. This one, Teal AB. Very fitting name though. Literally is a teal, a sheer teal with these AB iridescent glitters in it. These are so hard to get open. So it's a jelly polish. We'll probably do swatch videos of these. Very stunning polish. It's going to be a beautiful topper, or once again, wear it on its own. I think this is going to be beautiful for a water manicure. This one's stunning. The next one's also a blue, and well, a teal shade, I mean. Glaze Teal Green, and this one is also a sheer polish. I did just have this on my nails, but I took it off last night because it got messed up because I had to move some stuff and it just messed my nails up so bad. So yeah, now my nails are naked. When I first saw this polish, it reminded me of fairy wings. That was my first thought, was fairy wings, filling in butterfly wings, fairy wings, that kind of thing, insect wings. This year it took 4 coats to build this up, but it did become opaque and I could no longer see my natural nail line, so I was really, really happy. Absolutely stunning. It's in this like off-white baby blue base. Sheer though, with this teal green shimmer running throughout it. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. And then the last one from Pretty Woman is this yellow gold candy chrome. Yeah. And of course, you already know, I love my obnoxious ugly green nail polish, as some would say. I don't care. This is absolutely stunning. I love how loud and bright this yellow green is. It has a slightly darker green shimmer running throughout it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Cannot wait to wear this. And yes, it is a bit on the sheer side, but I'm going to build this up, or I'm going to top it over top of something. Maybe even top this on top of that as well. Stunning. This might even be a pretty jelly sandwich as well. I don't know. Possibilities with nail polish are endless. So excited though. Ooh. And then in the same realm of nail polish items, They had a bunch of the nail gems in stock at my store the day that I went. From Mila Plus Studio, I got these nail gems. And these aren't even gems either. This is more of like a confetti mylar mix. But I've been really into, obviously, not only nail stamping, but lots and lots of nail art. And I've been doing more like freehand and foils and nail charms right now. Just really into that right now. So here's what this looks like. And this is a mixture of mylars, like flaky bits, iridescent flaky bits, with like these stars in there. And I see a heart. Yeah, there's like a square. There's like a little starburst in there. Yeah. There's open heart. The middle of the heart is open in that one. There's a bunch of different stars. And I just thought this would be such a pretty glitter mix to use for like mermaids or something whimsical. So yeah, my thought on that. And apparently some of it's falling out right now. Oh shoot. But I just love how iridescent that is. And I literally was looking on Shein at something super duper similar to this. And I find it at the Dollar Tree. So how awesome. Win-win. The rest of the items I have to share are all makeup related. Now, since this one's not lip related, we'll share this one first because all the other items that I found are lip items. So from Koki, I found another Koki item, Koki Ultra Hode Waterproof Mascara. I needed a new mascara from Dollar Tree for my videos. I also want a new foundation, and I need a new primer and some different things like that, like for my videos, because I've grown tired of the ones I'm currently using and they are no longer working. If you watch my last Get Ready With Me kind of Dollar Tree review video, yeah, you'll see the disaster that was. So that'll be linked in the cards. So I don't know what happened there, but something ain't right. Something ain't working. But I got this in jet black. So excited to try a new mascara from the Dollar Tree, and it's a name brand. So real excited about that. Now this product kind of repurchases different scents in this line. But from LE Colors, they had some new lip oils. They had new scents of these lip oils. So this is the LE Colors Soothing Lip Oil. And they had a pomegranate one and this lychee. I'm unsure if that's how you really say it. This is a sheer finish. It's a lip oil. It does nourish lips. Absolutely love these LA Colors lip oils, so I wanted a new one to add to my collection because the other one that I have is currently in Project Pan, getting ready to be an empty. So I needed to replace that. Now this is somewhat of a repurchase as well. I do have this in 2 other colors, and I am excited to continue to find new shades at my Dollar Tree because I love these. If you've not tried these, you need to go get you one. Or if you like matte lips, I should say. Honestly. And the ombre style lip, yeah, you'd love this. This is the LE Colors lip liner. And this is the dual lip liner. And this is the shade Cuteness. Cuteness. This is a pinky nude version of the other 2 that I own. The other 2 are, the one is red and one is like bright pink and purple. I'm so excited for this one because this is more of an everyday lip. So one side is to line your lips and one side is to fill. It doesn't matter, you know, you can mix match, use one side, use both sides, do your own thing, but one says line, one says fill. It does have a sharpener on the end of one of the pencils. It is a chubby style pencil as well. Makes for beautiful matte ombre lips. So excited for this one. So very excited for this. I'm going to share this because we're on the topic of LA Colors. The LA Colors lip balm. These are their Shea Butter lip balms. They had these in lots of different shades. Lots of them. It says this is sheer and transparent and that it's a nourishing formula with shea butter. Enriched formula. Yeah. So there's a little pro tip on the side there. And I got the shade Sheer Black Cherry. I don't know why this shade spoke to me that day, but it did. I thought that when I saw these in other videos that I would have picked up the sheer nude one, but it was more peachy in person and I don't really want that. So I thought maybe this one also, like I just hung on to this one. So maybe I'll love this one. I hope that I will love this shade. I love the packaging already though. I hope these are comparable to those like Revlon lip butters. The last and final item that I did find that day is also another lip item. Well, but this is the Beauty Impressions Kissy Lips Lip Mask and Lip Scrub Duo. This says Hydrate, Nourish, Shine, and Smile 2-in-1 Lip Care Pot. And it says helps treat pigmented lips, giving them a soft and even toned appearance. I don't know about that. We will see. Lip mask and scrub. I think the first impressions, the packaging is super cute, but I do feel that based upon how the packaging looks, they're not going to get very much product in there. 0.2 ounces. There's nothing there, so the products are right in here, hidden, concealed. Either way, still $1.25. You cannot beat that. And I'm excited to try this. So let me know if you want to see reviews on any of the items that I shared today. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links, as well as a playlist. And stay tuned for more videos like these.